Hey guys, how y'all doing? You can see there I was trying some vertical up stainless. It's a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I had some decent looking pieces, as you can see, but I had a small spot of suck back on the back side of the joint, so I better keep practicing that. But anyway, I got a mail call here today. It's been a while since I've done a mail call, so let's get to it. Here's this welding table I built last weekend. Well, partially built. I still got to weld it up. It's just tacked together. But that'll be handy. See, I got all my clamps on this side. Put this piece of angle here so I can just slide the clamps in there. It's still a work in progress. I got to weld more of these pieces of pipe down this length and the other side so I can slide more hammers in. But that's the idea. Makes them easy to get to and easy to put away. It's better than having them in a drawer. That happens. They get jammed. But anyway, back to the mail call. This is from Billy. His channel is, hold on just a sec, Cobra Fanatic 22. He sent me a cool sticker. It's been a long time since I've gotten a sticker, so go check out his channel, Cobra Fanatic 22. He has a cool Mustang that he's been working on for a long time, or a while anyway. I've been following along his channel for probably 3 or 4 years now, and he's been a loyal subscriber and follower of my channel as well. So go check out his channel. He does some neat stuff. And I'm gonna put this sticker on my hood because it's a good size for it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Set the camera down here. I think I'll put it on the top here. Good spot for it right here. Doesn't have to be centered. None of the stickers on this hood are centered. I just kind of throw them on there. It's just the way I like it. Just kind of random places. I think it looks cool. There it is. Looks good on there. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank Billy for sending the sticker out, of course. Make sure to go check out his channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. It's actually pretty warm out today. It's like 45, so I'm just enjoying the warm weather. A lot warmer than it's been, so take care, guys.